This is our lovely kitchen.
Okay. Okay, this has been updated fairly recently.
This is within the last 10, 12 years, I
Yes.
want to say. During the holidays, that kitchen was always busy and bustling, everybody moving in and out.
How do you feel about the look in here?
I love this floor. Can you tell it's beautiful? Just kidding. It's terrible.
You guys didn't pick any of this out, right?
No.
It
I
was-
think your mom actually picked this out.
Well, in that case, she did a beautiful job.
Right.
Yeah.
Great job, Mom. There's
Not
nothing
gonna
to
make,
change.
make mom mad.
Not our
Exactly.
style. I would love it to be open,
Okay.
and then I love the skylight.
I do
Yeah,
too.
that was what I was
That's
gonna say.
awesome.
Yep.
This is such a cool jumping off point too.
Yeah.
So the amount of natural light in this house is actually really amazing, particularly under this massive skylight. So I want to figure out a way where we could create something really special to make that area feel really unique. So this is where you hang out.
Yes, this is the hangout room.
All right.
Listen, this house has kind of untapped potential currently, but walking through it, you can see how much it has been added to and changed over the years.
And what you're left with is the square footage, but like a series of small rooms that feel really chopped up and disconnected. So we're both in agreement that some of these walls have to come down. We just have to figure out which ones are the smartest ones.
Well, this sofa, this is like one of those things that it looks just as
This-
comfortable as
yes.
it is.
Yes, please, make yourselves at home.
It's
Have a
great.
seat.
This is like sitting on a marshmallow.
This was like his bachelor pad moment where you take furniture from whoever's willing to get rid of it. So yes, I'm ready to say goodbye to it. I just like the neutrals.
I like the tones a lot. I think it's
like
really
the
pretty.
wood tones.
Okay.
So that's all stuff I like.
Little farmhouse in some ways, but more elevated and sophisticated.
I was just gonna say that.
There's not a lot of Jen in the space, and I think that's about to change.
I don't think there's a lot of Steve in the space either.
That's true.
I think there's a lot of his grandfather. And I think there's a lot of, the history of the home. And so I think it's gonna be a really fun exercise for the two of them to come in and see the house and a physical representation of the two of them.
I just got really excited for them both.
Me too.
With this moment in life, this huge, important moment, what budget are we gonna be working with?
We're gonna be working with $125,000.
Okay, that's a lot of money.
Yeah.
That's great. Do you like their grandpa's stained glass here or not?
I think I do. I like the idea of it being in the house in
Okay.
some capacity.
I think that's pretty.
I'm sure it's gonna be beautiful.
They are.
They're out, they're walking up right now.
Okay, this is the beginning. Oh my goodness.
My God. This is
Oh
not the
my
same
God.
place.
Look at this cabinet.
You see the picture as soon as you walk in?
Oh, no, I didn't see that.
God.
The dark
yeah.
wood paneling. Look at how bright
Can't
it
see. You
is.
can see right out the window now.
I love the color.
The color of the floors. I
These
love the
floors are
in there.
stunning. They're literally perfect. Oh my goodness. I love it. Reminds me of Italy. Oh.
It's
my-
amazing.
This is not the same
No, it's
house
not.
at all.
Wow.
I
can't
love
believe
this.
this.
Look at this table.
I'm speechless. I don't know. I'm speechless.
Oh my God, look at the fireplace.
Oh my God.
I finally have my mantle. Oh my goodness.
We found it upstate at a vintage. This is old. This is like 200 years old.
Oh
No
my
way.
God. Stop it.
This is not the same place.
This is gigantic.
Oh my God, I know.
Look at this island.
I can't believe this. This is exactly what I wanted as far as an island goes.
Look at this
This
stove.
is fancy.
I can't even believe how big it is with the space that we had and what it looks like now, and I'm just blown away by the stove. I did not know stoves like that existed.
Can you guys believe, honestly, how massive this is?
No.
No.
We took that little dining room out
Yeah.
and pushed the kitchen back
Because the
towards
kitchen was
this window.
shoved right here before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This doesn't feel like what used to be here was ever here. The way
Right.
like it was laid out and everything. This is beyond my wildest dreams that this
that's
could
so
have come
awesome.
out of it. The whole space from childhood to now is just completely changed. I still have great memories, obviously, but definitely made that transformation from being my grandpa's house that I bought to now it's our house.
Marnie and Mark, they've gone through so much. Their daughter, Emily, had a very rare form of cancer.
Which is every parent's
Nightmare.
worst nightmare.
The good news is that she's gone through treatment and the prognosis is really great. But in the middle of dealing with Emily's diagnosis and her treatment, the house catches on fire.
I can't even talk about this.
It's a lot.
It was devastating. The fire completely incinerated Zachary's bedroom. Emily and Olivia's room was right next door. It filled with smoke and the water. Kitchen and dining room is below Zach's room.
Everything on that end of the house was really demolished.
Yeah.
I went into a really dark place, but I like to say that when life gives us lemons, we make lemonade.
We're all safe and healthy and happy right now. You know, we'll figure it out. Come on in.
After
Thank you. This is one of my favorite parts of the house.
Beautiful.
I love the floor.
Oh, the hair
That
gone.
was-
Wow, it's beautiful. The house has definitely been partially demoed. The remediation team has come through. Everything's cleaned up, but the family's not living in the house currently.
To the left of the foyer is a formal living room, and to the right, there's a large dining room that connects to an even larger kitchen area.
So you love the floor here, obviously.
I love
and
the
I mean, who wouldn't? But there's a lot missing from this space and not a lot of furniture.
Yeah, I was gonna ask how you guys lived in here.
Yeah, what did it look
previously.
like?
So this piece was one of the first nicer pieces that I bought. I know you like handsome. I like a little glam.
I know your vibe, I can tell already. You like a little sparkle,
A little sparkle,
Yeah, like a
not
glam.
too much. You know, I'm still from Queens.
like a
so
jewel tone.
I love jewel tones.
Okay.
Even rooms that weren't hit by the fire or the water, everything got ruined from the smoke.
Smoke.
Right.
The fire started upstairs.
The fire started
Yes.
upstairs. Yeah.
How did it
so
start up there?
I can
Yeah,
show you.
will you show us?
Yeah.
So it was in this room, my son's room. There was electrical work going on the street, and our lights started flickering and speakers started buzzing. The nightstand was there, and he had a couple things plugged in, and it got so hot from the power surge, it just went up in
Ignited.
flames. He collected baseball cards, and we had a lot of autographs from
Memorabilia.
Mets memorabilia everywhere, and,
Okay.
and all that stuff is gone.
The kitchen cabinets finally painted. We're working overtime at Marnie and Mark so that we can get the family back into the house ASAP. Today, all of the marble surfaces are being installed, and there's a lot of them. We have a new marble top for Marnie's glam credenza to give it a fresh look and a new lease on life. Gorgeous white marble countertops are going into our bold kitchen, and in the dining room, sleek, modern shelves flank new built-in storage with one of my favorite pieces, an absolutely stunning oxblood marble surface for the dining room table, which is going to be the site of so many new memories for the family moving forward.
This is it.
This is it.
We're going home. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't even know where I am. Look at this. I love it so much. Oh my God. Oh, look at this table. Oh my God. I don't even know what to say. I'm like shaking. I'm like, I can't. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Hi.
Hi. Oh my God.
You guys okay? You're happy?
Oh.
How on earth did you come up with this?
Believe this is the same
This
space.
is so amazing.
Crazy, right?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Is this bold? This is
It's
bold.
bold.
It's bold, right?
Beautiful.
I was obviously the one who was fighting for the not bold. Can you believe how beautiful it looks, though?
I always wanted a refrigerator that had the door on the top, not just. Oh my God, coffee bar!
Yes, these doors.
Oh my goodness! Oh. Look at the mirror in the back. Olivia!
Oh my God!
Olivia!
No way! This is so nice.
Olivia!
This is not real.
Oh my God. Oh, wow. Oh my God. So cool.
I love the wall.
We've lived here for 15 years, and I don't see ever leaving this home. And I think we knew that when we did buy it.
Yeah,
we
to
knew
raise Brooke and Luke.
with the kids, they're back there watching TV. We're in here. It's just, you know, you only have so much longer with them.
Yeah.
And
Don't say that. I'm gonna fall apart for you.
listen,
The truth is that the house doesn't need to just be improved for entertaining. It's got to be improved for the 4 of them. By day, that's where they live, and that's
Right.
where they come home from work. That's where the kids come home from school.
Yeah.
So it's not working as a family home, and it's also actually not working well as the entertaining home. I can't cook, but if I had this kitchen, I would have filled the wine corks much faster than you. There would have been I could have built a house out of wine corks. What's really beautiful about Laura and Mark's house is that you can tell that this is the place filled with love and laughter and fun and joy, but it is time for a new look.
It's a little worn out.
What is the dreamscape for this kitchen?
so I like the cabinet to be white.
Everything white and bright, fresh and new.
Yes, exactly, like clean.
The sign, close gently, don't slam. Laura has anger issues.
So-
I'm scared. We need a new kitchen. Help.
I know that this kitchen is probably the height of frustration for you, but that's pretty funny.
Show us where you guys hang out.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so this,
Oh, cool.
This is the family room.
This
this
is great.
is the family room.
Okay.
This is
So-
great. Is there anything in here that you guys want to keep?
I know the fireplace, I whitewashed that all on my own.
Good job.
Yeah, thanks. Mark took the kids out to dinner one night, and I went to town on that fireplace, and I think it came out so cool. So I definitely would love to see that brick stay
Still.
like that. Yeah, I do
Okay.
like it.
It's your work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just run through things.
Let's do rapid fire.
Yeah.
Okay. Stay or leave. Ottoman.
Leave.
Okay. Sofa.
Gone.
All right. Drapes.
Gone.
Carpet.
Burn it.
This is a
Trash.
first for us.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it.
I love a fresh start.
You have to be so excited right now.
Never been happier. Nothing brings them joy anymore. It brings them back to a specific moment in time that they're ready to move past. And that's what's exciting about this experience for them. Getting to reimagine this home and reimagine this space that their family comes to. And I'm really looking forward to this next chapter for them.
How much money have you saved?
Babe?
$175.
Okay.
Wow. You guys,
Thank you.
that's sick.
Does it stress you out
That's,
to just be
that's
like,
a
we've
huge
saved this
chunk.
Yes, yes. There was a lot of overtime on Mark's part, you know, a lot of Saturdays, him getting up early to go to work and missing the kids' sports.
We sacrificed a lot to get to this point.
here. Oh God, babe, they're here.
All right, where do I put this? Just leaves on the floor. This is on the floor. I guess I'll just put these in here.
Hold it together.
Ah,
Okay, here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. Babe,
putting
come
your
on.
lighter away.
Going in.
Holy moly. Damn! Holy cow!
My goodness.
Babe! I am shocked right now. Holy cow.
We love it. Oh my goodness, we love it.
Look at this.
What do you think?
Awesome. Yeah, freaking
Oh my goodness.
Holy cow.
What do you think?
Awesome. Awesome. Look at the H, babe.
The moment we walked in, I was speechless. We thought about how this was all going to play out, but never in a million years did I imagine it would have looked as open and clean and beautiful as it did.
These are from Mettlach, Germany. Both of these actually are from the late 19th century. This one is worth about $600.
Just
Wow.
crazy.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then this one is worth about $450.
No kidding.
Wow.
And the way you know is that all of them are marked on the bottom, if you can see. So these are the
cool.
finest,
Yeah, look at
the
that.
finest of the
Yeah.
collection.
We
But
had
we
no
thought
idea.
that was really, really special to you, and we
Yeah.
wanted
Yeah.
them to have a place
That's
of
awesome.
honor.
And it's something that's there for you.
Yeah. Oh, look at this couch. Oh, this is
Oh
beautiful.
my goodness.
Look at this.
The fireplace looks great.
Sweet.
Amazing.
It's cool, right? So
I
you're
love
a
it.
whitewashed brick, but we added the mantle.
Yep.
Obviously, your TV needs to go there,
Yeah.
but we
Yes.
can hang it.
Yeah.
Really, like this room, I mean, look at this. You see all the way
Yes.
to the front.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before this, there was no flow to our house. Nothing. Anytime we had a party, it was almost having 3 separate parties in one house because everybody was in different rooms. Couldn't be with everybody now. Just looking at this, everything is open now. And just can't wait. That's what we've been talking about.